In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rap music in Suno AI step by step. To get started, head over to Suno and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the Create page and begin a new music generation project. This is where everything starts, and it's the main workspace you'll use to build your rap track from the ground up. Next, enable custom mode. This is an important part of the process because it gives you much more control over the final result. Instead of relying only on a basic prompt, custom mode lets you shape the lyrics, style, mood, and production details, which is especially helpful when you want your rap song to feel more intentional and polished. From there, choose your rap style. Before generating anything, take a moment to think about the kind of track you want to make. You might go for trap rap, conscious rap, old school hip hop, melodic rap, drill rap, West Coast rap, or club rap. Picking a direction early makes it much easier to write a better prompt and get results that match your vision. Now write a detailed prompt. This is where you describe the sound, the energy, and the overall production style you want Suno to create. For example, you could use something like modern rap song with hard-hitting drums, deep 808 bass, catchy hook, confident flow, energetic delivery, professional studio production, and radio-ready sound. The more specific and clear you are, the better your output will usually be. After that, decide whether you want to add lyrics. This step is optional. You can let Suno generate lyrics automatically if you want a faster workflow, or you can write and paste your own lyrics if you want more creative control. If you only want a beat, just specify that clearly by using a phrase like instrumental only, no vocals. Then customize the mood of the track. Think about the vibe you want the listener to feel. You could aim for something aggressive, motivational, emotional, party-focused, storytelling-driven, or dark and cinematic. For example, you might describe it as a motivational rap anthem with uplifting energy and powerful lyrics. Once that's ready, click Generate and wait for Suno to create song variations. Listen carefully to each version so you can compare the beat, vocal style, and overall feel. If the result isn't quite right, refine the prompt. You can adjust the mood, beat style, vocal delivery, instrumentation, or even the song structure. Small changes can make a big difference. When you have a version you like, use the extend feature to add more verses, create a bridge, lengthen the chorus, or build out a fuller arrangement. Finally, save your preferred version, download the audio file, and if you want, continue editing it in a DAW for even more control over the final track.